Today we are going to show you how to install a roller door opener. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza and I'm so pumped that you are here. If this is first time here, make sure stick around so you don't miss any other tips and tricks to learn more. Please make sure subscribe below. The opener can be installed on right or left, so choose the side that has inside room and access to power. The distance between the edge of the door curtain and the inside of the bracket must be at least 40 mm. However, for easier access, recommended that at least 95 mm is allowed. Before beginning the installation, check the operation of the door. The door must be well balanced and be in a reasonable operating condition. The ideal operational effort in raising or lowering the door should not exceed a force of 10 kg. Make sure that all door locks, ropes and chains are neither released nor disabled, and remove unnecessary accessories. Fixing of door weight bar. Move the door manually to the mid-open position. Place the weight bar on the bottom rail in the middle of the door and secure with the fasteners. Check that the door shaft U-bolt is securely tightened on the right-hand side of the door. Support the left-hand end of the door with a suitable prop step ladder or lifter and soft padding to protect door surface. Carefully loosen and remove the left-hand door shaft U-bolt. Make sure that the door supporting prop is secure. While the door is supported, move the left-hand side on the prop. Slide the drive assembly over the door axle, making sure that the fork extends into and over one of the spokes of the door drum wheel. Put the door back on the bracket. Refit and tighten the door shaft U-bolt. Tighten the two locking bolts firmly to secure the operator.